Thanks to CuriosityStream for supporting my channel. Watch me play trivia on a very good trivia show when you sign up for CuriosityStream and Nebula using the link in the description. You might not know this, but while many of us were social distancing in 2020, there were a lot of interesting AI-related products released to the market. In fact, some of them were so weird and futuristic that I'm betting you won't be able to tell the difference between real AI products that came out over the last few years and fake ones that I made up. If you think you're up for the challenge, sit back, relax, and leave a comment below with which of the following 6 products you think were fake and why. Our first product is an app that allows you to see transparent objects using machine learning. Because transparent objects don't reflect light evenly in all directions, computer vision algorithms often have a lot of trouble identifying them. Think of it as a counter to the invisibility cloak from Harry Potter, which interestingly has kind of been developed by scientists already, although it has very limited use cases. But recently, researchers were able to use machine learning to develop new ways of recognizing their transparent surfaces. Our second product is an AI oven. This oven uses a combination of sensors, including a camera that watches your food while it cooks and can send you a live stream if you care to watch it, in addition to machine learning to make sure that your food is cooked to precisely the right texture and temperature without you having to lift a finger. From roasting to frying to baking to broiling, this oven can move automatically through different types of cooking and give you an estimated time of arrival for when your food might be done. So if you're looking for a hands-off gourmet meal, or if you'd like to be able to cook bacon 64 different ways based on your personal preferences, you should check out this AI oven. Our third product is a drone that can smell. That's right, a drone that can smell things around it. Think of it like a bomb-sniffing dog at the airport, except it's an autonomous drone. It also apparently performs with 100% accuracy. How? Interestingly, it uses sensory antennas extracted from moths that send electrical signals in the presence of different odors. These signals are then sent through a machine learning algorithm, which is trained to distinguish between these signals corresponding to different odors and can guide the drone towards the odor of interest. So say goodbye to dogs and hello to drones at the airport. Our fourth product uses artificial intelligence to augment your memory. Every day you can talk to this product and it will save your thoughts for later retrieval in the event that you forget. Even better, when you log in each day, it will predict your needs in order to help you reinvent yourself and express yourself to your fullest extent. It's also secured using blockchain, so you never have to worry about your personal thoughts or musings making it out onto the public stage. Our fifth product is designed to, wait for it, read faxes from fax machines. So if for some reason you still actively use a fax machine and you are so tired of having to read all of those faxes yourself, you can get a machine learning algorithm to do it for you. Finally, our sixth product aims to help you solve your snoring problem. The product listens to you as you sleep, and if it detects snoring, it will move your pillow around until you stop. Most importantly, you can use it without needing a mouth guard or any of those annoying nose strips, so you can just sleep as normal except for your pillow moving around in the middle of the night. So if you tried other snoring solutions and haven't had any luck, perhaps the thing that you were missing was artificial intelligence. All right, now that you've seen all the products, take a minute to think about which ones you think are fake and leave a comment below. I'll wait. Ready for the reveal? Alright, if you guessed that the second, fifth, and sixth products were real, then you are correct. The second product, an AI oven that uses sensors and machine learning to cook you a gourmet meal, is called the June Intelligent Oven, and you can get it for yourself for the low cost of $600 if you join the waitlist. The fifth product, or really service, is called COVID Fast Fax, and it was actually recently covered by Wired. It's designed to help healthcare centers efficiently process incoming fax messages during COVID when there's been more of a backlog of messages than usual. Because, in case you didn't already know, the healthcare system in the US is one of the few institutions that still relies heavily on fax machines. Lastly, the sixth product designed to help you solve your snoring problem is called Smart Nora, and it does basically what I said it does. There's a device that attaches to the headboard or a nearby wall in your bedroom, and if it hears you snoring, it inflates a device in your pillow to move your head around and apparently relax your throat muscles, which should help you stop snoring. Okay, but what about all the other products I talked about? Well, while they aren't products that you can purchase or services that you can purchase for sale, most of them do actually exist in some form. For the first one, ClearGrasp is a machine learning system that was developed by Google AI in order to identify identify transparent objects using computer vision. However, when I say transparent, I'm talking a little bit less Harry Potter invisibility cloak and a little bit more things like plastic bottles. In the case of the third product, it's actually called the Smellicopter, and it was developed by researchers at University of Washington recently. And it does have 100% accuracy for moving towards the concentration of any odor, but it can't actually detect distinct different smells yet. Researchers are hoping to develop new moth antennas that can be targeted towards specific chemicals so that you can target your drone towards whatever it is you're trying to sense. Finally, Luther AI is a tool designed to help you augment your memory over time by recording your thoughts and using machine learning to pull out relevant details and then show them back to you later on when you need it. And it's currently free, however, you have to be invited to the program or get off their waitlist in order to use it. They also don't yet have blockchain security, but apparently they're working on it. I just got invited to use the service a few weeks ago, so I'll let you know in a couple months how it goes. Now, it was very fun to come up with these real and fake AI products, but what you might not know is that when it comes to being on the other side of a trivia game, I am very bad at trivia. In fact, you can see that for yourself by watching one of our newest Nebula Originals, a very good trivia show starring myself, Brian McManus from Real Engineering, and Dave Amos from City Beautiful, competing in funny and strange challenges led by Sam from Wendover. And if you're new to my channel, Nebula is a creator-built platform where you get to watch my videos ad-free, and we could create and experiment with awesome content without having to worry about demonetization or paying tribute to the YouTube algorithm. We're thrilled to be partnering with CuriosityStream, a subscription streaming service with thousands of documentaries and nonfiction videos. In fact, if for some reason you're feeling nostalgic about 2020, you can watch their documentary on the top science stories of 2020. And where CuriosityStream is all about big budget nonfiction documentaries, we're building Nebula so that education creators have a place to try out new ideas that wouldn't work on YouTube. On Nebula, you'll find ad-free videos from some of your favorite creators, from Tierzoo to Neurotransmissions to The Coding Train. You'll also find my Nebula Journal Clubs, or you can watch something like Questionable Advice, another Nebula original where Vanessa Hill from Braincraft tries to help me order less takeout. CuriosityStream loves independent creators and wants to help us grow our platform, so if you click on the link in the description or use my promo code Jordan, you can get access to CuriosityStream for 26% off their annual plans, with Nebula included for free for as long as you are a CuriosityStream member. That's less than $15 a year. Signing up for CuriosityStream and Nebula is a great way to directly support my channel while getting to watch my videos and Nebula Originals ad-free. So sign up for CuriosityStream and Nebula using the promo code Jordan or at curiositystream.com/Jordan. Editing Jordan here, who just realized that she forgot to make an outro for this video, so otherwise, if you like this video, you can let me know by subscribing to my channel and smashing the like button. You can also check out the video that I did last year on this same topic. If you want to follow my PhD life, you can do so on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.